Here's how to change app icon color on iPhone iOS 18. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can change app icon color on your iPhone. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, what you have to do is just tap and hold your home screen to enter wiggle mode. So once you tap and hold, all your apps will be on wiggle mode. And after that, what you have to do is just press on edit. Once you press on edit, you will see these two options right over here, but what you have to do is just press on customize. Once you press on customize, you will be able to see these color options. First one is we got automatic. In automatic, it depends on your system color, that if you got dark mode enabled or light mode enabled, it's up to you and it will change the app icons. And then we basically got dark and light mode. So here, as you can see. But let's say if you don't want none of them and you want a custom tinted color. So there is another option called tinted. So what you have to do is just press on tinted, and here you will be able to see many different color variations. Just select the color that you want on your apps. Here, as you can see, that I can change it to whatever I want. So the blue is looking very clean, so just go for like your tint color. And yeah, this is looking very nice for me. So what you can do after that is just simply just tap on your home screen again, and here, as you can see, you've basically changed your app icon color on iPhone. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can change app icon color on your iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and